Right here, I have 5 correct ways to drill your screw into a thin piece of a wood board, and the most common one that you should avoid at all costs. The most common way is to take a screw and drill it straight into a wood board, but usually these thin wood boards break so easily. You can take a small drill bit and pre-drill a hole for this screw. As you can see, the screw goes in without any cracks. The second solution is to take a piece of soap and rub your screw edges against it. Soap grease enables a smooth way throughout the wooden board. The third solution is to take a pliers and cut off this sharp screw tip. This will make one big screw hole which decreases the wood crack possibility. You can also take a nail and make a little bit deeper start hole. This will guide your screw throughout the board. And if you got any used up oil, you can use it to help this screw go much easier throughout the wood. If the holes in the wood are too big for your screws, you can use one of these two tricks. Either use wooden matches to fill up the hole or use a piece of electrical wire. Both ways are very nice ways to fill up the hole and your screw will hold tightly in there. When you have an important piece of board like this key holder right here, don't be naive like I was thinking I can put my screw right in there easily. As you can see, I cracked this important frame board pretty nicely and now everybody can see my crack. So don't let this happen to you. Use one of these tricks and apply them to have a perfect holes. I hope you have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.